Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to confirm an appointment for your tattoo studio and send a confirmation messages to the clients on WhatsApp automatically. So here the idea is I own a tattoo studio and what I want to do is whenever a client is booking an appointment for my tattoo studio, I want to send a confirmation message to them on WhatsApp. So for this, I am using two software applications, Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp. So Acuity Scheduling is a really helpful software. Why? Because it enables the business owners to schedule their services and manage their online appointments. And you know WhatsApp is a famous chat application. So here there is an issue. What? Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp do not have any direct contact or any native integration. So how I'm going to perform this task? Either I have to collect all the details of my clients from Acuity Scheduling, sort them out, then keep on sending messages on WhatsApp. But this process is really repetitive and tiresome. Why? Because I have to deal with several customers per day. So here I would suggest you to bring in some automation between Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp. For this, I am using a really amazing software, Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help me to build an integration between Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is whenever an appointment is booked by a client in Acuity Scheduling, a message will be sent to them on WhatsApp for confirmation. Isn't it wonderful? But the best part here is to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. Any non-technical person can use this very easily. So let us understand this process on my screen along with a real-time example.
Okay guys, so this is my page of Acuity Scheduling. So here I already created the account in Acuity Scheduling and this is how the dashboard of Acuity Scheduling looks like. So here, as I told you earlier in the video, Acuity Scheduling is a software from which you can manage your online appointments, and you can see here this is a calendar kind of window. From here I can see all the upcoming appointments and all the scheduled appointments of my business, which is tattoo studio. Okay, so here further in the video I'm going to tell you how you can also create your account in Acuity Scheduling and start using it for your online appointments. Okay, so from here, from Acuity Scheduling, I created an appointment page for my client so that my clients can book the appointments using this page. So here the name of my business is Awesome Tattoo Studio, and I've provided some description about my business and also the specialities of my work, and also some of the works I have created on my clients so that my clients can get the idea of my artwork. Okay, so here you can see this is the page from where my clients can book the appointment. Here I've mentioned that hours, which is 2 hours of appointment, which is going to cost around $10, and here is the address of my tattoo studio and all the details. Okay, so from here you can see these are the available days and time slots for my customers so that they can pick them accordingly. Okay, so here the idea is I'm using Acuity Scheduling to manage my online appointments, and I'm using WhatsApp to send the confirmation message. So the gist of the process is, as and when a client is going to book an appointment from my page, I want to send a confirmation message to them on WhatsApp. So here I'm going to make a demo appointment just to show you as an example how our process is actually going to look like. Here I'm going to choose a day, let's say on Saturday 4th of September, I'm going to book an appointment. I'm going to click on continue, and here is my customer for which I'm going to create the appointment, which is Alex James. This is his phone number and this is his email address. So I'm going to click on confirm appointment. Here you can see the message, the appointment is booked. Now we need to see on WhatsApp if the message is arriving or not. So here I'm going to show you on WhatsApp. Okay, so here you can see a new message. Let's see here. Excellent. A message for Alex James, which was our client, has arrived here that on August 28, 2021 at 10 p.m. you have an appointment scheduled with us for your tattoo studio appointment. Here you can see I just created an appointment as a client and the message for confirmation was sent on WhatsApp. So you must be wondering, how did I manage to send a message on WhatsApp automatically as and when as an appointment is booked? You do not need to worry here. Let me tell you that I followed 3 simple steps and created this automation between WhatsApp and Acuity Scheduling. I'm going to show you what are those steps so you can also follow them and create this workflow. Okay guys, so these are the steps which I followed to create the workflow between Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp. So here the first step is connect Acuity Scheduling to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect and then we need to connect Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect. Very simple. The second step is collect the same data from Acuity Scheduling in Pabbly Connect. Now here what we need to do is, as our account of Acuity Scheduling is connected with Pabbly Connect, the data which we are going to enter, such as any appointment which we are going to schedule in Acuity Scheduling, the details of same schedule will be captured into Pabbly Connect. It means the data which will be available into my Acuity Scheduling account, the same data is going to get captured into Pabbly Connect. Okay. And the third step is send the same data to Vati for sending messages from WhatsApp. Here let me first tell you that you do not need to get confused what is Vati. Here I would like to tell you one thing, that you cannot send messages on WhatsApp directly. So here to integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect, I am going to use a software which is known as Vati. So Vati will help me to send messages from WhatsApp. Okay, so here the third step is send the same data to Vati for sending messages from WhatsApp. Here what we need to do is the data which was collected into Pabbly Connect from Acuity Scheduling, I'm going to transfer the same data into Vati to send messages from WhatsApp. Okay, so here let's understand the complete process on my screen, so keep watching. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly, Pabbly, pabbly.com in your browser. So this is how the website of pabbly.com looks like. Here I'm going to click on products. As you can see, there are various products. We have to click on connect. After clicking on connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So here on landing page of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on sign in, as I've already created account into Pabbly Connect. But if you are a new user, you can also create your account just by signing up for free in 2 minutes. So let's click on sign in, and here you can see this dashboard will appear. Okay, so to continue with the workflow, I'm going to scroll down here on connect. I'm going to click on access now. So after clicking on access now, here you can see this dashboard just appeared, and on the top right corner this button named as create workflow. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so here this dialog box just appeared. So here what we need to do is we need to give a name to our workflow. You can give it according to your choice. Right now I'm giving it according to our topic, which is Acuity Scheduling to WhatsApp. Acuity Scheduling to WhatsApp. Okay, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, so after clicking on create, you can see this window will appear, and on this window here are 2 boxes. The first one is trigger, the second one is action. So you must be thinking, what are triggers and what are actions? I would like to explain you here that automation works on the concept of these triggers and action. So here what trigger means is when this happens, action means do this. So according to our topic, the trigger will be when a new appointment is booked. The action will be, when a new appointment is booked in Acuity Scheduling. The action will be send a confirmation message on WhatsApp. So here let me show you practically how it's actually going to work. So here in the choose app, I'm going to choose Acuity Scheduling. Acuity Scheduling. Okay. After choosing the app, we need to choose the trigger event. So the trigger event will be new appointment. As you can see, there are various trigger events available, but according to our topic, I'm going to choose new appointment. So after choosing the trigger event, you need to connect. After clicking on connect, I'm going to make a new connection. Okay, and then I'm going to click on connect with Acuity Scheduling. as my account was already open, so here I just need to allow, and then my account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Here you can see I successfully connected Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect. Now I need to click on save and send test request. So here what happen will be, it will start waiting for response. What kind of response? It is going to capture the same response which we are going to give into our scheduling page. So here I'm going to make another appointment for a client so that the data can be captured into Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to again choose a day. Let's choose Wednesday, 10 September. September 1st on 10 a.m. I'm going to click on continue. Here I'm going to change the details of a customer. Okay, so this is my customer. Her name is Zoya Khan, her phone number and her email address. And then I'm going to click on confirm appointment. Now here you can see the appointment is booked. Now we need to see if the same details are captured into Pabbly Connect or not. So here you can see it was waiting for webhook response. Let's see here if the data is captured or not. Excellent. So here you can see the same data is captured into Pabbly Connect. Here the customer was Zoya. Her last name was Khan. This is her phone number and this is her email address. So here it means that we have successfully integrated Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect. Now the data which we are going to enter into our scheduling form, the same data will be automatically captured into Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now here you must be thinking how you can also use Acuity Scheduling. So to proceed with the process, before proceeding with the process, let's first see here is the dashboard of Acuity Scheduling. Okay, so here I created my account already, as I told you. You can also create your account in Acuity Scheduling. And to start with the appointments or managing appointments for your business, you need to click on appointment types. Okay. Here you can see these are the already available appointment types, or you can say services of my account. To start with your services, you need to click on new types of service. Okay. After you click on new type of service, you need to create the service of your business according to your need. Example, here it is given. Example, aromatherapy. Duration, price, you can set all according to yourself. Once you have done with this, you need to click on create appointment type. Once the appointment is created, now what you need to do is you need to go on availability. Okay, once you go on availability, you have to create the calendar for your services so that your clients can choose according to the available days and time slots you are providing. Here on the edit group, you need to select for which appointment you want to create the calendar, and from here you can create the calendar and then click on save. And from here in the calendar settings, you can add further details of your business such as the calendar name, the description of your work, the location. If you have any logo of your business, you can add it from here and then you can click on save, and thus your your calendar for your appointment will be created. Now if you want to more customize your accounting page, you can customize it from here, customize appearance, and you can add all the descriptions such as I created these descriptions I added, such as the name, the works and the specialities. So you can do the same according to your need from here at description box, and you can add further details and click on save changes. This is how you can start using Acuity Scheduling to manage your online appointments of your business. Isn't it wonderful? Now let's go back onto our topic. So here we successfully integrated Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect. Now the idea is I want to send message on WhatsApp. So here I'm using Vati to send message on WhatsApp. So in the action window, I am going to choose Vati. So you must be thinking how you can also start using Vati. I'm going to tell you. Let's first choose the action event. So the action event will be send template message. Okay. So after selecting the send template message, I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so after clicking on connect, we need to make a new connection. Here I'm going to click on add new connection. Once I clicked on add new connection, here you can see it is asking me to fill these fields, which is API endpoint, and the second one is access token. So let's read this help text from where we can get these API endpoint and access token. So it is saying navigate to top on your Vati dashboard, click on hamburger icon. then click on API docs. Okay, so here we need to log in into our Vati account. So here is my Vati account. I already logged in into it and I created my account. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You can also create your Vati account and start using it. If you are wondering how you can do that, let me tell you one exciting thing here, that a link is provided into the description of this video, from where you can see all the details which you need to know to create account into Vati and start using it to send messages on WhatsApp. Okay, so here we need to first connect it. Okay, so here we need to go on API docs. So from here we need to click on this option and we need to click on API docs. After clicking on API docs, you can see both of the keys are available here, the access token as well as the API endpoint. So the first one was API endpoint. Okay, so here I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and the second thing I'm going to copy is access token. Okay, and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, this way my Vati account will get connected to Pabbly Connect. Okay, once it is connected, you can see these fields just appeared here and they are asking us to map data. Now you must be thinking how you can do mapping. So mapping is a really simple task. What we need to do here is we need to mention the same data which was captured into Pabbly Connect from Acuity Scheduling. So here you can see these were the details of the customers and the details of the appointment. We need to fill the same data here. From once we are going to click here, you can see this drop down menu will appear and from here you can select the accordingly field which was asked. So from here you can see it is asking us for WhatsApp number. So here from here you can see the WhatsApp number of my client was this. Okay, the same here is available. So this is how mapping works. Okay, so before mapping the WhatsApp number, let me read the instructions provided here. Okay, so the instructions here are: enter a valid number with a country code without plus sign. Example, the country code and the 10-digit number. Okay, so it basically means that Vati do not allows you to map a phone number which has plus sign. You have to mention the country code and the 10-digit valid WhatsApp number, but not the plus sign. So you need to exclude this plus sign. Okay, so here I already mentioned the phone number into this format, which is like, let me see. Okay, the country code and the 10-digit WhatsApp number. So I'm going to map it. Okay, and then now it is template required. So here you can see these are the available templates. So you must be thinking, what are templates? So let me explain you what are templates. Templates here into my Vati account, you can see this option named as broadcast. Let's move here, and this option named as template messages. So template messages are basically those messages which you are planning to send from WhatsApp, as you cannot send any message from WhatsApp directly. So first, for your business, you need to create a particular template and then you can get it approved. After it is approved, then you can start sending it on WhatsApp. Okay, so you must be thinking how you can also create your new template. On this window, you can see this is how you can create the new template. Again, let me remind you that the description, that the video mentioned into the description of this video, in that video, you can get all the details of how you can create a template. Let me tell you here in short that you need to provide a name of your template, the category. Here you can see all the categories are available. And then you need to provide here all the details and the body of the template. What is the body of the template? The message you are planning to send. For example, dear Zoya, thank you for signing up. These are some examples of body of a template. And then you need to click on save as draft. Once you draft a template, you can see the status here. It will be shown as draft. Okay, so you cannot start using it till then. First, you need to get it approved. So you must be thinking how you can get it approved. You can get it approved by clicking on this arrow option. Once you click on this arrow option, your template will send to get approval from WhatsApp. Okay, so it does not get approved immediately. Okay, you need to wait for 30 minutes to 2 business days for it to get approved. And once it is approved, the status will change from pending to approved, and then you can start using it. So here the template which I'm going to use for my business is appointment details, this one. So let me show you what are the contents of my template. Here you can see the template name is appointment details. Okay, and this is the body of my template. Okay, dear name, let me show you. Okay, dear, the name of my customer, on this date at this time you have an appointment scheduled with us for your meeting. So here this is the message. As you can see, it was looking like this when I sent this. Dear Alex James, on this time at this date you have an appointment. So here you must be thinking, why did I wrote this name into this format within double curly brackets? So these are called custom parameters, which I'm going to tell you further in the video. So keep watching. It is an important part. Okay, so here is the template which I am going to use, which is appointment details. So let's map it here into Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here I'm going to choose, as my account is connected with Pabbly Connect, so all the templates will be available here. So here is the template of appointment details. I'm going to choose this. Okay, so the next step is broadcast name. What is broadcast name? Again, let's move on to our Vati dashboard. Here you can see this option named as broadcast history. So basically, broadcast messages are those messages from where you can see all the, if more than one person is using your Vati account. So from here you can see various broadcast and check all the details of that messages. So here I'm going to mention the broadcast name as my customer's name. Okay, so here I'm going to map the details of my customer, such as Zoya. With a space, I'm going to provide her last name. So here you would have also noticed that this is how mapping works, that I'm just clicking on this drop down menu, and from here I'm selecting the already available details. What kind of available details? Which were available into my Pabbly Connect with the help of Acuity Scheduling. So here I'm mapping those same details. Okay, so here you can see I mapped the details of the broadcast name. Okay, now the next step is custom parameters. Okay, so this is an important step. So here the thing is, we need to enter the data into certain format into Vati so that our action will be working. Okay, so from here you can see this is the template. Okay, let me show you the template here. Okay, so in my template there are various parameters. You can see, such as name, date, time, meeting name, date, and location. I need to mention the same, as custom parameters are variables which are going to keep on changing according to the changes in customers. So this is how custom parameters work. So from you do not need to worry how you are going to mention the pattern. In the help text, the pattern is available. You just need to copy it, and here you need to paste it, and then you need to mention the names of your parameters and value of your parameters. So the name of my first parameter is, let me check here, it is name. Okay, so the name of my first parameter is name itself. Okay, so here I'm going to mention the name, and the value will be, value is what is the name of my customer. So here I'm going to map the name of my customer who is Zoya. So let me adjust the window. Now it's perfectly visible. Okay, so now you can see this is my customer's name, so I'm going to mention it. Okay, so my first parameter is ready, which is my customer's name here, dear name. Okay, now the second parameter is, again I'm going to paste the same format here in the here the name of my second parameter is date. Okay, so here I'm going to write date, and in the value I'm going to map the date. Okay, so the date of the appointment is September 1st, 2021. Fine. Okay, so my second parameter is ready. Then I'm going to mention the third parameter. Okay, so the third parameter here is time. Perfect. So here in the name of parameter I'm going to write time, and in the value I'm going to mention the appointment time, which was, okay, here 12 p.m. Okay, so the third parameter is ready. I'm going to again paste the same format. I'm going to remove this color. Here you can see again it is meeting name. Okay, so I'm going to write the meeting name into the same format, meeting underscore name. Okay, and the value is I'm going to map it from here. You can see the value is tattoo studio appointment. Okay. And again, let's see here what is the next template here. Sorry, parameter here. We look forward to see you 15 minutes in advance at our meeting on date. Here you can see it is mentioned date. We have already mentioned date here once, so we do not need to mention it again and again. It is going to work automatically here as well. Okay, so the next parameter which we need to mention is location. Okay, so again I'm going to mention the same pattern here in the name of color, sorry, in the place of color. Okay, let me enter it manually. Okay, here I'm going to mention the location. Okay, and in the value I'm going to add the location of my studio, which is available here. So let me tell you, this is the location. Okay, so now all the parameters according to my templates are ready. Here I would like to tell you that custom parameters works according to your template. The custom parameters that you have provided into template, you need to mention the same. For example, if you would have provided one more custom parameter here, such as email or the website link or anything else, you need to mention it here also. So according to my template, all my custom parameters are ready. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, I'm going to save and send test request. Here you can see the response is received and it is showing the message is sent to Zoya on WhatsApp. So let's check the WhatsApp. Excellent. So here you can see message for Zoya, which is on September 1st, 2021 at 12 p.m. You have an appointment scheduled with us for your tattoo studio appointment. Wow. This means we have successfully created our workflow. But before finalizing, let's do a real-time check if our workflow is working successfully or not. So here, I'm going to make an appointment again, and then we will check on real time if the message is sending on WhatsApp or not. So again, I'm going to make an appointment. So here I'm going to make an appointment on Monday, August 30 on 2 p.m. I'm going to click on continue. Let me add the details of my customer. Okay, so these are the details of my customer, which is Tina Manuel, her phone number and her email address. And I'm going to click on complete appointment. So here the message is, the appointment is booked. Now we need to check on WhatsApp if the confirmation message is sent or not. So here let's check in my WhatsApp. Perfect. So as you can see, I just created an appointment for Tina Manuel and here is the message. Dear Tina, on August 30, 2021 at 2 p.m. you have an appointment scheduled with us for your tattoo studio appointment. Wonderful. This means we have successfully integrated these two software applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is Acuity Scheduling and Vati. So as and when the customer is booking an appointment, the message is sending on WhatsApp automatically. Isn't it wonderful? So let's understand what we did. First, we integrated Acuity Scheduling with Pabbly Connect, okay, and then we captured all the data into Pabbly Connect of Acuity Scheduling. And then we choose Vati as our action application, and then we connected it with the help of API keys and mapped the same data which was available into Pabbly Connect from Acuity Scheduling. Excellent. And then we integrated both of these applications and saw that our workflow was working successfully fine. So this is how you can also automate your business just by using Pabbly Connect. Here I would like to tell you one more exciting thing, that the link of this workflow is available into the description box of this video. So you can just simply copy the same link and start using this workflow into your Pabbly Connect account.
Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.